Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to show you a small demonstration. I'm not actually bumping or anything. All I'm doing here is showing you the brockhage bump hammers. So the ones I've got are these, the grey brockhage bump hammer, blue brockhage bump hammer. Those two come together in a pack. And then you've got the black weighted brockhage bump hammer. These are little weights that go in the end. You can bump with no weights in. Myself, I love it with both weights in for all the bumping. With having the three, it just allows you a perfect setup when you come to bump. And to me, there's no way I could go back to using a screwdriver or file or anything like that. Not once you've used these, they're just that good. Having all three gives you a lot more choice as well when you're bumping. If I can try and demonstrate to you here how flexible the grey one is. See how much that's moving up and down. I'm scarcely moving my hand's static now. All I'm doing is a very slight motion. See the flexibility there in the grey one? Yeah, it's a shame we can't mark it. Like, hang on, let's have a go smashing my finger. Right, that's on my finger there. See how much lower that is, my finger? That's what it's reaching with the flexibility. The same sort of height. See, the blue one is going nowhere near that. It's probably going to about here. So it's about half the distance of the grey one. But it gives you a lot more solid feel to the blue one. The grey one feels lighter, but it's got a lot more flexibility, even though they are like the same weight. Then when you get to the weighted one, I'd say the flexibility is in between both of them for the distance it travels. But with that extra weight, you don't seem to have to put as much effort into your bumping. And just flicking that as it hits the key, so it's just touching on, but it's still packing a real punch behind it, even though you're only just touching the key. I'm aiming to hit this so it's just touching the back part of the key, and the weight of the hammer takes it that bit further, which gives it a lot better strike when you're bumping. So get yours today. There you go. Highly recommend these, the brockhage bump hammers. Wouldn't be able to bump without them anymore, me. Really good.